All right, let's get right into it. We've all been there, right? You're planning a party. You've got this amazing idea, the guest list is all set, and you are just so excited to get everyone together. But then reality hits. The hard part begins. So today we're going to dive into how you can finally master your RSVPs and turn all that planning chaos into what it's supposed to be, a celebration.
I mean, let's be honest for a second. That initial spark of excitement, it can fade fast once you get bogged down in all the little details. Does organizing the party sometimes feel way more stressful than the actual event is fun? You know, for a lot of us, the answer is a big, resounding yes.
And a huge part of that stress? It's this: chasing people down. You send out the invites, you're feeling good, and then crickets. You wait, and you wait some more, and before you know it, you're sending out those kind of awkward follow-up texts, just trying to get a simple yes or no. The chase is officially on. And man, is it exhausting.
So when the replies finally do start trickling in, they're coming from literally everywhere. You've got a yes on WhatsApp, a question in a text, an email from your aunt, and then a maybe over on a Facebook message. It just becomes this tangled mess of communication that's pretty much impossible to keep straight.
So what's our solution? We usually fall back on the good old manual spreadsheet, and you spend hours just typing in names, trying to track plus ones, making little notes, but it's not just that it's time-consuming, it's practically a minefield for mistakes. One little typo, and you've either ordered way too much food, or even worse, not enough chairs.
Yeah, these frustrations are pretty universal, and they all add up to what we can call the party planning headache. So let's really break down the common challenges that can turn a fun, excited host into a super stressed out project manager. This really captures it all, doesn't it? You've got the guests who just don't reply, the replies that are scattered all over the place, and of course the last-minute changes that just throw a wrench in everything you've planned. But underneath it all is this constant fear of missing a crucial detail, like a serious food allergy, just because it got buried in a text chain. And it all leads back to that tedious manual tracking.
So why do we care so much about this? Well, it's because RSVPs are so much more than just a list of names. They are the absolute foundation of your event. They're like the pillars holding up the entire celebration. And if you don't have a solid head count, that whole structure can get pretty wobbly pretty fast.
And this shows it perfectly. Your guest count literally informs everything, from how much food and drink to order to knowing exactly how many chairs and tables you need from the venue. It helps you plan games and activities, and it even changes how you communicate updates to everyone. An accurate RSVP list is your single source of truth for the entire event.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem pretty clearly, but we're not here to just dwell on the stress. The good news is, there's a much better way to handle all of this. It's time to solve the RSVP chaos once and for all.
This comparison really says it all, doesn't it? I mean, look at the left, the old way. Scattered, confusing, and just a massive time suck. And then you look at the right, an online system, a single centralized page with real-time updates. It's really the difference between chaos and control.
And getting started is actually so simple. Step 1, you create a custom online page just for your celebration. Step 2, you share one single link. Send it through WhatsApp, email, social media, you name it. And step 3, you just kick back and watch as all the RSVPs and guest info just roll in and organize themselves in one clean, easy-to-read place. No more spreadsheets.
Now, the real magic here is that this is about way more than just collecting a guest list. You're not just making a form, you're actually building a full event hub. And this is a huge shift from just managing the boring logistics to actually creating an experience for your guests from the second they get the invitation.
The source material has a great name for this, a celebration platform. It's this comprehensive hub where, yeah, you manage your RSVPs, but you also provide every single detail about the event. It's all designed to make the whole thing totally seamless and easy for everyone involved.
And hey, think about how much better this is for your guests. With just one click, they can get all the event info, find directions, check the schedule, and see any last-minute updates. It's less work for them, too. No more scrolling through old messages trying to find the address or the start time. And when the experience is seamless for them, they show up more relaxed and just ready to celebrate.
So here's the crucial takeaway. This isn't just another tool. It's a complete shift in how you plan. It becomes your new planning hub, your command center that moves you away from all that stress and puts you on a direct path to success.
I absolutely love this quote from the source material.
RSVP collection becomes an entry point for a complete celebration experience, reducing confusion and admin stress for the host. It just totally reframes the whole task. It's not about counting heads anymore. It's about kicking off the entire experience.
And that right there is the ultimate goal. The whole point is to get back to the joy of it all, to transform your party planning from a stressful chore into an exciting, creative, and genuinely fun part of the celebration itself.
So I'll just leave you with this final thought. By ditching the endless chasing and the manual spreadsheets, by automating all that admin work, what could you do with all that time and mental energy you'd get back? Maybe you could spend it on what really matters, actually looking forward to your own party.